Morning to one another. I am K.PADMAVAThi, Assistant Professor, PG Department of Computer Applications, St.Joseph's College of Arts and Science, Autonomous Cuddalore. Today we are going to say about functions in Python. Okay? Let's go to the video. Functions in Python. Definition. A function is a block of reusable code that performs a specific task. Functions which helps to organize our programs, reduce code repetition, remove readability, and making debugging easier. Syntax of a function. The Python function syntax is very easy. First of all, we have to define the function by using the def keyword. Def keyword followed by the function name and then list of parameters. It is optional and then colon. Since Python is an intention language, we should not use curly braces to define the function. All the statements inside the function will be in the tab spaced statements. The function may consist of one or more statements with or without a return value. Explanation. Def is a keyword. Function name is the name of a function and parameters are input to the function. Return is used to send a value back to the caller of the function. Simple example for function definition. Def greet is the name of the function and it does not have any parameters and then followed by colon. Here we are having a simple statement, a printing statement. This is the function and statement behind the function, and this one is a calling function. Greet is name of the function. It is present in the main program. It called the function name which is having greet. So we will see the example in the Colab. First of all, open a Colab, a new notebook I have opened. So define the function by using the keyword def space. Then name of the function is greet. Next one is parenthesis colon. See, the cursor is inside the def function. Okay, and then simple print statement. Hello. Okay. So a single statement I am having. After that, I have to call the function by using the name, function name. Here my function name is greet. That's all. My function is over. Here, defining the function. This statement is the calling function. Okay. Just run the function. Function run. Next one is function with parameters. The function, this one is function without the parameter, this one is function with the parameters. The parameters allow passing values to the function. We will see that function with the parameters example here. Def, I am having add function, which will be having two values, say A and B. Okay, and then colon, inside it, I am going to add and save it in result. Z equal to A plus B. Then I print the value. Result print result is on this function. I am going to call the function add. I have to supply the value for A and B. After executing, we will get the result. This one is the function definition. This one is the calling the function statement, right? And then next one is function with return value. So we can return a value from the function to the called function. Okay. So let's see the code. The same code I write here. Instead of print statement, here I am going to return the result to the main program. Return result. Here I have to get the result by using a storing variable and then print the same. Result is here the function is defined here. The result is returned to the main program, main function. Here the calling function will be the result will be saved in the left hand side variable and we can use the left hand side variable for this. Next one is call by value. The function can be called by value or can be called by reference. Called by value is nothing but function receives a copy of the variable's value. Any changes made inside the function do not affect the original variable. Let's see the example, then only we can understand. Here, definition, function definition will be having statements. Inside the statements, additional statement and then print statement. Next, in the main function, we are having a variable num is equal to 5 and we are passing the variable value to the function. So here the changes has been done, the addition has been done and then print inside the function. Afterwards coming to the main function, here print outside the function, the num value is not changed. What we have passed that only print here. So it is the call by value, only the copy of the variable is passed so that it does not affect the original value. So we will have the example in the Colab. It will be clear. Def function name change. And then here I am going to add x is equal to x plus 10. And then I am going to put the value here inside and here n is equal to 3. Right? And then I am going to call the value change of and outside the function. Okay. Yes. After passing the value n as a 3, the function takes the value 3 and then the changes will be made here 3 plus 10, 13. Inside the function it prints 13. Yes. After that outside the function the value is not retrieved here. Only the copy of the variable will be passed to the function. Okay, not the memory address. So that the value is not affected the main function. This is the call by value. And then next one is call by reference. Call by reference means a memory address is passed. So that if there is any change in the change in the value, the original variable also changes. This is the difference between the call by value and call by reference. You will see the same example in the Colab. Def, see the change. And here we are having a list. Okay. 1 dot next one. Function 1 and then 1 equal to this or we need to be change answer function. The changes which is inside the function is also reflected to the outside function. So this is a example for call by reference. Hope you have understand the video. Thank you very much.